Dear students, we will go ahead with English speaking practice with general awareness. You will pick and choose a particular topic of your choice for delivering a particular presentation by PPT or reading passage activity in the classroom or in the assemblage. Other students will listen to you in a sincere manner and they will try to analyze the topic. Just after the completion of the topic, certain questions will be discussed which are related to the topic. And later on, we can discuss some of the questions which are related to the topic but not read out by the speaker. This will certainly develop so many skills in all of you. And just see this video which is based on important facts about India. Yes, very cheerful morning, students. Today we will discuss about some facts of India with the help of political map of India. As far as area is concerned, India is 7th largest country in the world. First is Russia, second is Canada, third is China, fourth is USA, fifth is Brazil, sixth Australia and seventh is India. And the total area of India is 32,87,263 square kilometers. This is 7th largest country in the world as far as area is concerned. And if we talk about the length from north to south, it is 3,214 kilometers. From east to west, it is 2,933 kilometers. And if we discuss about the land border of India, it is 15,200 kilometers. And sea border, it is 7,516.6 kilometers. And if we talk about the extreme points of India, to extreme east point is Kibithu. Okay, Kibithu in Arunachal Pradesh, and in the west, extreme west point, we have Guwahati in Gujarat. And if we talk about the extreme north point, the northern point, that is called Indra Col, and extreme southern point is called Indra Point. So in eastern, you must remember it is Kibithu, in western it is Guwahati, in northern it is Indra Col, and in southern it is Indra Point. And if we discuss about the biggest state of India, that is area wise Rajasthan and population wise Uttar Pradesh. And you know very well that Uttar Pradesh is the only one state in India which touches the boundary of 8 states. You can see it touches the boundary of Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and Bihar. And one district is there in Uttar Pradesh, Sonbhadra, which touches the boundary of 4 states, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and Bihar. Let us discuss about our neighboring countries. Let us see Pakistan. Pakistan shares its boundary with 3 states of India and 2 union territories of India. You can see Pakistan shares its boundary with Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab. 3 states and 2 union territories, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. And China, you can see China shares its boundary with Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. So 4 states and 1 is Ladakh. Nepal, you can see Nepal shares its boundary with Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Sikkim. So Nepal shares its boundary with 5 Indian states, and China shares its boundary with 4 Indian states and 1 UT. And you can see that Bhutan shares its boundary with Sikkim, West Bengal, Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. Means Bhutan also shares its boundary with 4 Indian states, and Myanmar also shares its boundary with 4 Indian states, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur and Mizoram. And you can see that Bangladesh shares its boundary with West Bengal, Meghalaya, Tripura and Assam. So these are the neighboring countries which share their boundaries with Indian states. Yes. If you see that how many states do touch the boundary of see, or you can say that how many states share their boundary with coastline. So you can see these 9 states: Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, and West Bengal. 9 states do share their boundary with coastline, and 16 states are there which share their boundary with neighboring countries. Yes, Rajasthan, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Sikkim, West Bengal, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya. So 16 states share their boundary with neighboring countries, and we have 5 states which have their boundaries neither with sea or nor with neighboring countries. One is Haryana, 2 Madhya Pradesh, 3 Chhattisgarh, 4 Jharkhand, and 5th is Telangana. But here question arises that total number of states we have 28, but 16 touch the boundary of neighboring countries, 9 touch the boundary of sea or coastal line, you can say. 16 plus 9, 25, and 5 have neither their boundaries with neighboring countries nor with sea, so 30. But 2 states you can see, Gujarat and West Bengal, they have their boundaries in common with neighboring countries and sea border. You can see neighboring country and sea border. So West Bengal and Gujarat, so they have their boundaries with sea and with neighboring countries. So you can note the main points about India. India is the 7th largest country in the world as far as area is concerned. First is Russia, second Canada, third China, fourth USA, fifth Brazil, sixth Australia, and 7th is India. Total area of India is 32,87,263 square kilometers. Land border 15,200 kilometers. North to south 3,214 kilometers. East to west 2,933 kilometers. About extreme points, extreme east point is Kibithu, extreme west point is Guharmoti, extreme northern point is Indra Call, and extreme south point is Indra Point. There are 28 states and 8 union territories in India. Biggest state area wise is Rajasthan. Biggest state population wise is Uttar Pradesh. Smallest state area wise is Goa. Smallest state population wise is Sikkim. 9 states of India have their boundaries with coastline: Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, and West Bengal. And 16 states have their boundaries with neighboring countries. 5 states are there in India who have their boundaries neither with coastline nor with neighboring countries. The states are Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Telangana, and Jharkhand. 2 states in India have their boundaries in common with neighboring country and coastline, as you have seen in map, Gujarat and West Bengal. Pakistan shares its boundary with 3 states and 2 union territories of India: Rajasthan, Punjab, Gujarat, and union territories Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh. You can see in the map that Pakistan shares its boundary with 3 states: Gujarat, Rajasthan, and Punjab, and 2 union territories as well, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. You can see in the map that Nepal shares its boundary with 5 states of India: Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, and Sikkim. You can notice that China shares its boundary with 4 states of India and 1 union territory. The states are Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, and Arunachal Pradesh, and union territory is Ladakh. You can see that Bangladesh shares its boundary with West Bengal, Meghalaya, Assam, Tripura, and Mizoram. Myanmar shares its boundary with 4 states of India. You can notice Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, and Mizoram. So you can note that Bhutan shares its boundary with 4 states of India: Sikkim, West Bengal, Assam, and Arunachal Pradesh. Bangladesh shares its boundary with 5 states of India: West Bengal, Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram, and Tripura. Yes, Myanmar shares its boundary with Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Mizoram, and Nagaland. And Sonbhadra is the only district in India in UP which borders 4 states: Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, and Bihar. You must know that there are 5 states in India which have their boundaries neither with coastline nor with neighboring countries. The states are Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Telangana, and Jharkhand. China shares its boundary with 4 states and 1 UT of India: Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, and Union Territory Ladakh. Nepal shares its boundary with 5 states of India: Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Bihar, Sikkim, and West Bengal. You must know that Uttar Pradesh is a state which touches the boundaries of 8 states in India, and Assam is a state which touches the boundary of 7 states in India. So, students, you must note all the important points in your permanent register. Just after the completion of the topic, so many questions can be discussed related to the topic. How many states are there in India? Students will reply, there are 28 states in India. And so many other questions and answers can be discussed. Later on, we can discuss some of the questions and answers which are related to the topic but not read out by the speaker. This will definitely improve so many skills among all.